to the Soul-Free 2020 Statue Challenge. Here's a question. Do you have any idea how many muscles it takes to move just one step? The answer might be mind-boggling. It takes as many as 200 muscles working in unison for the human body to take just one step forward. Isn't it a miracle? The beauty, the gift that is a healthy body is something that so many of us just take for granted. In day-to-day life, we do so many things to abuse our body. We don't take care of it at all. How many people are serious about their fitness and their health? But on the other extreme, there are some of us who are forced to really struggle due to an injury or due to an illness, due to paralysis. A spinal cord injury can happen to anyone at any time. A stroke can happen to anyone. And yet, we just take our bodies for granted. For a person who is living with paralysis, all we get from people is pity. Either pity or rejection. We don't need pity. All we want is respect. All we want is opportunities, is for us to be valued as human beings, to be given opportunities in education, in employment, in entrepreneurship. So many of us, just like me, I am paralyzed below the neck, I am a quadriplegic, and yet I have a job, I am able to earn, I am able to support my family. There are thousands like me all over India suffering from spinal cord injury or paralysis due to various reasons, who are unable to do anything. We are looking for education, we are looking for jobs, we are looking for chances in entrepreneurship. We are willing to work hard, whereas many people, many youngsters with perfectly healthy bodies just take their bodies for granted, and at the slightest problem, at the slightest chance of failure, at failing an exam, for example, or having a love failure, they commit suicide, or they attempt at least to commit suicide. We are not doing that. We are fighting, and all we need is your support, your encouragement, and for you to take us seriously. So this is the reason that we have instituted the Soul-Free 2020 Challenge. One is for healthy people to appreciate their bodies, and two, for us to be respected. So here is the 2020 Statue Challenge for you. All you have to do is to sit somewhere and become a statue. For 20 minutes and 20 seconds, you are not to move any part of your body other than your neck. If you have an itch somewhere in your head, you can ask for help. You can use your voice at any point. If you want water or anything, you can ask somebody to help you, but you cannot move your body at all. The challenge is, can you do this for 20 minutes and 20 seconds? If you succeed in this challenge, you need to ask 5 of your friends or colleagues or even enemies to take up the challenge, and if you fail at it, if you quit at some point, then you need to ask 10 people to do it. For more information about what we are doing through Soul-Free, Soul-Free is a public charitable trust that aims to help the severely disabled, help people with spinal cord injury and other severe disabilities, people who are living in wheelchairs, to lead a life of dignity and purpose. So if you wish to support our cause, please log on to www.soulfree.org and then look up our recent announcement page to see more about what the Soul-Free Challenge is all about. Do take the Soul-Free Challenge, and then the last 20 seconds of the challenge, please record it on video just like I am now, and for the last 10 seconds, make a countdown, 10, 9, 8, and then at the end of it, record all your feelings, your emotions, what you felt about the dependence, the inability to move, about the newfound respect you may have for people who are living in this condition permanently. share it on Facebook, on YouTube, and definitely share it with us on the Soul Free Facebook page. Thank you so much. Please join us